Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7, and today I am going to describe an important topic of your English grammar, and today's topic is articles. So today I am going to describe the definition of article, and after this I will describe the uses and the rule of the articles. So let us start the video of article and watch it carefully. An article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, object, or idea. And look at the example: a pen, an apple, a girl, the Taj, the Himalaya. These are some few examples, and in these examples, the words a and the are articles, means a and the. These words are article, and actually they are demonstrative adjective and are used to point out people or things. And now we will discuss the kinds of articles. According to the structure of articles, we can divide its two parts. First part, definite article. Definite article is the. Second part, indefinite article, and indefinite article is a and an. Look at few examples. Bring a chair. Here you can see a chair, and it is the use of indefinite article. And look at the second example: bring the chair laying near the window. Here you also see a chair with the use of the, and this is the use of definite article. How? For in first sentence, bring a chair, a person are talking about to anyone, to any chair you will bring. So their chair is countable noun and singular, so we can use a in front of this. And in the second sentence, bring the chair laying near the window. In this sentence, a person are asking to anyone a particular chair you will bring which is laying near a particular window, means a and an are indefinite article and the is definite article. A and an suggest any person or things, and the suggest a particular person, means for any person or a thing we should use a or an, but for the particular things we will use the. And now I am going to describe the rules of the articles and uses of indefinite articles. So first of all, I want to start with the use of a. Use of a. We use the indefinite articles a before countable in singular number which begins with consonant, means according to this rule the condition is that a is used before countable noun and singular number, but it should be start with consonant or consonant sound. For example, look at the first example. This is a chair. Here you can see I'm talking about a chair. And chair is a singular number and countable noun. So we placed a before chair, and this is correct sentence and correct use of indefinite article a. This is a chair, but there is a is omit. So this sentence is not correct. So this is incorrect sentence. Sita sang a song. This is correct sentence because a is placed before a song, or song is a singular and countable. So we should use before song a. And in the second sentence you can see a is omit from its place. So it is incorrect sentence. So these are the example which clear the rule also, and now I am going to describe another rule from this article. Rule number 2. The use of a or an depends upon the initial sound of countable noun before which it is placed. Means now I am going to describe the use of a or an, means indefinite articles, and these article we should use the initial sound of countable noun. Means how we will use it, let us see. Rule number 1. We use a before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with consonant. Means condition is that the word should be countable and singular, and it should be start with consonant sound. Means look at the example: a man, a flower, a cow, a boy. Here you can see all the four nouns: man, flower, cow and boys are countable, and they are in singular number, and they are begin with consonant sound. M, F, cow, boy. So these are the consonant words, and these are also start with consonant sound. So we will place before these words a. Next rule. If a word begin with vowel, look at the rule. If a word begins with vowel but gives the sound of consonant, a should be used before of it. Vowel a, e, I, o, u. These alphabets are called vowel. So condition is that the word should be start with vowel. Means if a word is start with vowel but it gives the sound of consonant, in this situation we should use a. How? Look at the example and understand it. A university, a European, a one-eyed man, a 1 rupee note. These are some examples. The word university and European begins with vowel U and E. But both these words are pronounced with the sound of U, which is consonant sound. So in front of these words we should use a, and the words begin with one, O N E, with the vowel O, like one-eyed man and 1 rupee note, with the sound of W, clear? Which the words one begins with the sound of W is also a consonant sound. So we say a 1 rupee note and a one-eye man. So the in front of these words we can also use a. Now the use of a is finished, and we will start with the use of a. An. Use of an. Rule number 1. We use an before a countable noun in the singular number, beginning with the vowel sound also. A, E, I, O, U. Means the word should be start vowel sound or vowel, and it should be countable noun and singular also. It is the condition of the use of an. For example, an aunt, an axe, and an apple. All the three nouns aunt, axe, and apple are countable. They are in the singular and they begins with a vowel sound also. So in front of these words we put an. Next rule of the use of an: if a word starts with consonant but gives the sound of vowel, and should be used before it. Means condition is that if a word, suppose if a word start with consonant, but if you will speak it and it gives the sound of vowel, means A, E, I, O, U, then you should put before of these word and. It will be correct. Look at the example: an hour, an honest servant, an honorable man. In these words you can see H is silent, so they also begin with vowel sound, and therefore we will put before these words an. Next example or rule of this video. Now there is the rule of a or an is finished. There is a practice exercise. First of all, do it and check it yourself that how much you understand. And now I am going to describe the rules of the, means the uses of the. And I have already declared it. The is definite article, means the is used before a particular things. Now we will discuss the rules of the. The is used before superlative degrees, means when you find in adjective or adverb est, then it means it is superlative degree, and before of these words we can place means we will put the. For example, he is the noblest man of the town. Here you can find adjective, and in this adjective est is added. So you should put the in front of noblest. This is the correct use of the. Another example. Next rule. With the name of states, countries, and having a descriptive name, we should use the. Examples: the Punjab is a small state. This is the name of state, so we will use the in front of this. He lives in the USA. USA is a country's name, so we will put the in front of USA, and it is most important rule of the. Next rule. With the name of sculptures. Sculptures means holy books. When we will find the name of any holy book, then we will put the in front of these books. For example, the Ramayana. Ramayana is a holy book of Hindus, so we will put in front of Ramayana the. Like the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Bible, etc. These are some holy books, and in front of these books we will put the. Next rule of the. With the name of newspaper means if we will find a name of particular newspaper, then we should put in front of these newspapers name the. For example, we read the Times of India and the Indian Express every day. There also we should put the. These are some newspapers name, so we will put the in front of these newspapers, like the Amar Ujala, the Dainik Jagran. These are some particular newspapers name, so we will put in front of these newspapers name the. Next rule of the. With the names of rivers, canals, seas, oceans, bays, and gulfs, and group of island means when we will find the name of rivers, canals, seas, oceans, bays, and gulfs, and group of islands, then we will put in front of these words, before of these word the. Example: the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Rajasthan Canal, the Persian Gulf. These are the particular things, like Ganga is a particular river, Indian Ocean is a particular ocean, Rajasthan Canal is a particular canal. So in front of any particular things we will put the. Next rule of the. With the name of famous building means if we will find a famous building's name and it is particular, so we will put in front of these building the. For example, we visited the Taj Mahal last week, the Qutub Minar, the Lal Killa. These are some important buildings and these are particular buildings, so we will put these famous building in front of these buildings, before of these buildings the. Next rule of the. With the name of national, sects, and communities Means if we will find the nationals, sects and communities name, then we will put the in front of these words, and because these are some particular things like English is, we can use English word for a subject, and people of British also. The German, both are languages, and both we can use, both word we can use for the people of British. From means, suppose that a people who lives in Germany, then we can say it is the German people. And if a people who lives in England and British area, then we can use for these people the English also. And the rich, the poor, the Hindus, the Muslims also. So Hindu Muslim is indicated the communities, and rich and poor is indicated the sects, means condition of financial condition of any other, means anyone. Next rule of the, with proper noun used as common noun, means when in a sentence proper noun used just like a common noun, then we will put the before these common noun. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here you can see Kalidas is a proper noun, and Shakespeare is also a proper noun, because these were a particular poets of literature. Shakespeare is the particular novelist and poet of the English literature, and Kalidas is the particular poet and novelist also in Sanskrit literature. But here Shakespeare is used just like a common noun, so we will put the in front of Shakespeare, before of Shakespeare. The Delhi is the London of India. Here London is used as a common noun, so we will put the before of London. And now we will discuss the next rule of the. With the famous historical event, we will put the historical event. And for example, the French Revolution, the Asahayog Andolan, these are some important and historical events of our history. So we will put the in front of these events. With the name of direction, means it is the next another rule with the use of the. For the use of the, means if we will find any direction name just like the east, the north, the west, then we will put the in front of these direction, in front of these directions name. Next rule, rule number 11. With the name of unique things, means when we will find name of such a unique things as the sun, the moon, so we will put in front of these word, before of these word, the. With the name of mountain range, if you will find any range name and it is a particular mountain range, so you will put the in front of these mountain range like Himalayas, Alps and Aravallis. So we will place the in front of these words, just like in the example, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Aravallis. Look at the next rule of the, and it is last also. With the name of trains, ships, aeroplanes, means when we find a name of any particular train, ship, aeroplane, then we will put in front of these words, before of these names, the. Look at the example. We travel by the Rajdhani Express. Their Rajdhani Express is the name of a particular train. So we will put in front of these things, means in front of these particular names of trains, ship and aeroplanes also the. So these are the example and these are the rule of definite or indefinite article from your syllabus. And now it is a practice exercise, and you all will do this exercise. And in this exercise I put some sentence and these are incorrect sentence, and you will correct the sentence with the use of articles, means correct the incorrect use of articles in the following sentence. Look at the first sentence. He is a MA. She is a LLB. Look at the sentence very carefully and correct it. He is a honest man. He is an one-eyed man. He is an European. It is an useful book. Ganga is a holy river. Shakespeare is a Kalidas of England. Mohan is a best boy of the class. Mohan is an intelligent boy. There I put incorrect articles with the words, and you will put correct articles in these sentences and correct the incorrect sentence. And now the chapter of article is finished here, and I hope you all understand the video, understand the article very well. But if you will face any problem and any type of doubts, then you will consult with me by the messages and by the comments also. Thanks for watching this video.